In this video, I'll show you how you can fix out of video memory trying to allocate a texture in Red Dead Redemption 2. Now the way that we can do this is you want to come down here and you want to search for Advanced System Settings. Open it up and go to Advanced, go to Settings right here, click on it and head to Advanced once again. In here you want to press Change, choose to uncheck this one, choose Custom Size, and from in here you should be able to type in these two boxes. Now what you're going to type in here depends on your own allocated. So you can see here where it says currently allocated, I have 10,752. You probably have another number, but what you want to do is simply type the number in there and in here as well. Now once you've done that, press Set, press OK, and you should be good to go. Restart your PC and now it should hopefully work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.